Not a bad view. Is it better to look this way?
It's also good.
Welcome. We're Kevin and Janine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a McConaughey 55 catamaran.
This is Saoirse in Nongsa Point Marina on the island of Batam in Indonesia. Previously, you saw us preparing Saoirse for cruising. This episode, we show the flip side of life in Batam, where we go explore and tour the city, as well as indulge in tasting new types of cuisine. First off, we were spoiled on Saoirse by the crew, who took mealtime very seriously, and we ate a lot. Pasta, pizza, milanesa, empanadas, and on and on. When we weren't eating pasta, we tried local nasi goreng, which is fried rice, satay, curries, and a variety of things we're not sure what they were. They're donating food to us. So the owner of one of those boats keeps giving us food. We don't know why. Kevin's making friends with him. But what do you guys think? Is the food any good?
Yeah.
We don't know what is it.
No, it's mystery, but it's delicious. One thing to be wary of is that the spice level of the local food can be pretty intense. Most of our touring consisted of taxi rides into Batam City, where we would search for boat parts and food markets.
This is Indra.
Yes.
Driving us to Nagoya in Batam, Indonesia. Yeah. All the crew. I'll try to get some like the proper Batam driving, Indonesian driving.
I love this place.
That's nice. Satays or something. Credit. No, this one.
Provisioning run.
3,986,000 rupees.
It seems like a lot.
I'm not really interested here. What? Oh, it's Auntie's Pizza.
Provisioning today. And there's this R2-D2 going around selling drinks. There are a lot of options for types of rice here. All of this. Every one of these. All this wall. Rice.
What's your place, John? Untuk pesalok ya. Kalau komplit.
Buddhist temple. turtle. Looks like they're doing some work on the roof. All these tiles. Like a little castle walk through town. Yep, it's good. A little squall this morning. There she's all buttoned up. Fenders are trying to fly away.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good time.
So tell me, who was that?
Best I could get, it was a subordinate of the governor of Batam.
Okay.
I think sport minister.
Yeah, minister?
Yeah, sport minister.
Sports minister. There
Ah.
you go. And he had a little police badge for some reason.
What is it?
And it's a magnet. See, look.
Oh, you can clip it anywhere.
Ya está. Police again.
Do this, do
No
that.
more captain, now it's police again.
You're under arrest.
The Marina Sheriff.
Guy's really active. Just went into the shade. Look at those tentacles. See, these guys are like really poisonous.
Oh, so many. I think they're expecting me to feed them.
We have a lot of sun.
Preparing some garlic, and this little guy moving around in the garlic. Oh, look at the legs. Monkeys out here this morning. Oh yeah. Hello, Mr. Monkey. Oh. Kevin, what'd you do to him?
Nothing. Oh, you're running at me. I was just sitting down. Oh, it's gonna eat something.
Yeah. Get out. Get out. I don't want monkeys. I'm gonna go to the beach. Come on, Kevin. Because there's a whole bunch of them. We don't want the herd coming over. Evil monkeys.
Not like cats.
No. Doing a stairs workout this morning. Gone up once, now we're going down. And we'll go up again. Once or twice maybe. Oh, it's a little frog.
It's a bat.
It's a bat? Oh, it's a bat.
With no wings.
They're tucked in.
Should I poke it with a stick?
No.
See if it's alive.
He's totally alive. We got pretty big snails here. It's lunchtime and we're about to make some rice because we have some leftover curry. This is our bag of rice, and we've discovered we have little friends living in the rice. I'll show you. They're a type of beetle apparently. The rice was stored in here, and if you can see all these little guys, I guess they poke through the bag and they lay eggs in there. So, luckily, the rice was stored in this box away from everything else. We're gonna give it a really good cleaning, and we're tossing that rice. There goes Cecily and John. Koodalau. Bye!
Bye!
Maybe.
Jalan.
There goes Koodalau, couple we met here in Batam. Super friendly. Laut, Koodalaut. Told us about all the...
seahorse, I think, and their boat's a seahorse.
Oh, it's appropriate. They're going to the Anambas. Whereas we are still here. Still working on things. Scrubbing a lot. But it's coming along, right, Kevin?
It's coming along, getting there.
Saoirse's looking pretty good. Decided to go paddleboarding. It's our first day with paddleboards. It's Sunday. I think there's possibly a church event going on here. So dark. Tonight is our last night in Nong Sa Point Marina. We're heading out tomorrow morning. We finally got our lift working and most things in order. Still some things to do, but we're gonna go. See you tomorrow.
We are headed down to here. Pulau, which means island. Ranoh. This is the guy. So there's a bay right here where we can hang. A lot of the other cruisers are talking about. It's just under 50 miles to get there. We take most of the day.
6 fuel tanks. See me? 100%, almost everywhere. Well, the oil industry here, right? That's why you're saying the air, it's so dirty in the air, and it's been so frustrating with the boat getting covered in black streaks every time it rains. But we're moving! Almost there. Nice flat water now, but it's actually quite choppy earlier. Coming in at sunset. So you can see yourself. Just stay in the frame.
I gotta read.
Am I cutting too much?
No.
Yes, so. Show the.
Oh, that's good.